Appointment to the PNP. Number 1, a citizen of the Philippines. Number 2, a person of good moral character. Number 3, must have passed the psychiatric and psychological examination, drug test and physical test to be administered by the PNP or any NAPOLCOM accredited government hospital. Number 4, possess formal baccalaureate degree from a recognized institution of learning. Number 5, must be eligible in accordance with the standards set by the Commission. NAPOLCOM Memorandum Circular number 2008-003. Number 1, NAPOLCOM Entrance Exam. Number 2, RA 11131 or RA 6506 Licensed Criminologist. Number 3, RA number 1080 Bar and Board Examination of Baccalaureate Degree. Number 4, PD 907 Granting Civil Service Eligibility for Honor Graduates. Number 5, Civil Service Professional. Number 6, must not have been dishonorable discharged from military appointment or dismissed for cause from any civilian's position in the government. Number 7, must not be convicted by final judgment of offense or crime involving moral turpitude. Number 8, must be at least 1.62 meter for male and 1.57 meter for female. New height requirements is 1.57 meter for male and 1.52 meter for female under RA 111549 Section 2. Number 9, must weigh not more or less than 5 kg with the standard weight BMI. Number 10, new applicants must be at least 21 to 30 years of age. Appointment under the waiver program. NAPOLCOM Memorandum Circular number 2007-009. Initial appointment to the PNP may be waived only when the numbers of qualified applicants falls below the minimum annual quota. Following order. Number 1, age. At least 20 or over 35 years of age. Number 2, height. Height automatically granted to applicants belonging to cultural communities. Duly certified waiver from the Office of the Muslim Affairs or OMA and NCIP. Number 3, weight. Reasonable time not exceeding 6 months to comply. Temporary appointments shall be dismissed. Factors to be considered in the grant waivers. Number 1, outstanding accomplishment or position of special skills in law enforcement, police work, martial arts, and marksmanship. Number 2, special talents in the field of sports, music, and others. Number 3, experience or training in forensic science and other technical services. Status of appointments of newly appointed patrolman and patrolwoman. So, temporary appointment is, think of this as a trial period or probation. You need to do some basic training like PNP, FTP, Public Safety, Basic Recruit Course or PSBRC. And you also need to do the field training in few months. So, pares ka rin nagtatrabaho ng temporaryo para hibaruan kung kaya mo ba. So, this temporary appointment is last in 12 months at most. So next is the permanent appointment. Permanent appointment is if you do well in the temporary appointment, you got a permanent position. So you need to complete all the required qualifications or work like patrol, traffic, or investigation for 12 months. So next is the appointment of PNP officers and members. So patrolman and patrolwoman to PIMS. It PNP Regional Director it nag-appointed it mga patrolman and patrolwoman to become Police Executive Master Sergeant. So and next is the Police Lieutenant to Police Lieutenant Colonel. Chief PNP it nag-appointed Police Lieutenant nga maging Police Lieutenant Colonel pero dapat anay rekomendado hit nakakalabaw iya. So the third one is Police Colonel to Police Lieutenant General. So the President President of the Philippines it nag-appoint it mga police colonel to become a Police Lieutenant General. Ngan rekomendado hit Chief PNP ngan aproba naman hit CSC. So last is the Police General. Nag-appoint tayo is the President. Tapos may term nga 4 years pero na-extend pa niya in case of war or national emergency. So next is the lateral entry. So asyan ang kuan if tao nga made special skills or highly qualifications can join the PNP according to the NAPOLCOM. Example, the dentist, the optometrist, the nurses, the engineers, and the graduates in forensic science, etc. Kung may danim usa nga butang nga aram name nga kaulangan ni PNP, pwede ka makapasok nga mas labaw pahit ranggo. So if you are trying to apply the lateral entry as a police inspector, they give priority to their top 10 of their licensure exam. So the maximum age hit lateral entry is 46 years of age. Tapos there it pwede lumampas hit 46 years of age. So next, so may the different exams for different ranks. So first is the patrolman and patrolwoman qualifying exam. So kung karag ni maging patrolman and patrolwoman, you will take this exam. So the second is police 4th class exam. Kung ang police corporal karag maging police staff sergeant, ig-take ini nga exam. Tapos and the police 3rd class exam. And police master sergeant karag maging police executive master sergeant, ig-take daman ini liwat nga exam. And then the fourth is the police 2nd class exam. The police 2nd class exam is hit mga kuanin hira mga kon an police lieutenant karag maging police captain, ig-take ini nga exam. And the last is the police 1st class exam. Kon an police major karag maging police lieutenant colonel, iyan ig-take nga exam para maging hatas nga ranggo. So kuan led dida kon karag nim humatas tim ranggo, you need to take some exams. PNP promotion system. So first is kung ano PNP promotion system. So promotion system is kung paano how a police officer can climb from the lower to higher position nga with more responsibility and mas damo nga benefits. So first basic for promotion is the merit. Merit is pagbuhatin maupay nga trabaho nga magpakita nga kaya mo ba. So the second one is seniority is nagkukanhin maiya na nga pagsiserbisyo. The third one is the time and grade experience. So time and grade experience is the number of years for the police officer to hold a certain task before he can be promoted to the next higher rank. So the next one is the mandatory schooling. Mandatory schooling is nagkukumpleto kahin mga kaulangan nga course ngan training. And next naman is the eligibility. Eligibility is nakapasar kahin mga kaulangan nga promotional exams. So next is the kinds of promotion. So first is the regular promotion. Regular promotion is the promotion granted to the police officer meeting the mandatory required position. At yung mga mandatory required position is like the master's degree or the officer senior master degree course and etc. So the next one is the special promotion. So special promotion, so gadit nga konta may kidnapping or carnapping, kunta nadakop it name, itawag nga promotion is special promotion. So we have the promotion by virtue position. So example, usa nga police lieutenant ingin assigned para maging head in specialized unit ngan iton nga posisyon is for authorized na nga police captain. Tapos iton nga lieutenant in makakaraot in temporaryo nga promotion ngadto ha police captain. And then samtang hirain aadahiton nga specific role, however diri pwede ma-reassign ngadtuhin another nga captain position until they've served at least 2 years in that role. So first is the attrition. So ano attrition? Attrition is how the PNP manage personnel nga diri nagpe-perform or diri nagmi-meethan required nga standards ngan paano gumagana, so through separation or retirement. So may types may niya types. We have the attrition by basta tenure, maximum tenure. So ang tenure is the maximum time nga pwede usa nga posisyon nga after that dapat ma-reassign or mag-retire. So next is the attrition by relief. So if an police officer is relieved or tinanggal from a post and waray tagihin bag-o nga assignment within a certain time, pwede hira ma-separate. So next is the attrition by demotion. So attrition by demotion, if an officer is demoted or binaban ang ranggo and waray ma-reassign to a comparable position, pwede hira ma-separate liwat. So next is the attrition by non-promotion. So if an officer doesn't get promoted for a very long time, pwede ini mag-lead to separation. So next is the attrition by other means. So this covers things like poor performances or failing the fitness test or etc. So next is the retirement benefits. So may niya types. We have the compulsory. So first is the compulsory. So parahan mga opisyal nga umabot na edad nga 56, pwede pa hira tugutan nga mag-extend han ira serbisyo hin usa ka tuig. Tapos an optional naman is kung makumpleto hin at least 20 years nga satisfactory active service. So the retirement pay is this is the monthly pension nga gin calculate based on the officer final salary. Years of service ngan a specific nga formula. So example han kunta ang iya rank is police lieutenant general tapos ang iya salary is like 80,000. So tapos ano yan naman years of service is 28. So igta times na nim. So 2.5% times 20 the 28 and years of service ngayon an 80,000. Ita times na nim. So makaka-come up kahin 56,000. So asyat an magiging monthly pension.